my mother gave, I inherited from her pale white face, wrath from disappointment and a cold hard age. Oh, the things that she has seen, and because of it, so have I, with her own two eyes, which are now sadly mine. I hold the frustration in my arms, in my chest, 'cause I'll never fully know her, I can never rest. Stranger that birthed me, leave me unnerving, swallow my years as well as this anger. Where does the time go? I was a child once. It doesn't scare me, us looking back, 'cause the only truth I've known is from my past. A lonely father, wonder where he's at. Sometimes I've wrung my hands and prayed to kill the effect. Oh, how you cling to these psalms, clutched in your palms. I cry in a prayer to pronounce your tragic prose, to confuse faith with labors, to let your kill linger. Stranger that birthed me, leave me unnerving, swallow my years as well as this anger. Where does the time go? I was a child once.